Hello and welcome back to Hidden in the Stars. On this episode of Mysteries, Myths, and Misconceptions, we're discussing the common misconception of astronomical sizes. Let's start with our planet. We know planet Earth has a diameter of 12,756 kilometers. Earth is a terrestrial planet that is part of our solar system. Our solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy. It is around 6.35 light years in diameter. While our solar system is the only planetary system referred to as such, there are more than 3,200 other stars with planets orbiting them in our galaxy, according to NASA. Remember, the Sun is a star. To give you some concept of size, there are about 200 billion stars in our galaxy. They're usually around 5 light years apart. We've mentioned before in our Fate of the Milky Way galaxy video that the Milky Way is approximately 100,000 light years in diameter. The Milky Way galaxy is considered average size. You may have heard a reference to our local group. That just means the Milky Way galaxy, along with over 50 other galaxies, including our neighboring Andromeda galaxy. The diameter of the local group is roughly 3 megaparsecs. A megaparsec is equivalent to 3,262,000 light years. Around the size of the local group is a galaxy cluster. Galaxy clusters contain hundreds to thousands of galaxies. Galaxy clusters are around 1 to 10 megaparsecs in diameter, but some can be larger. There are millions of galaxy clusters in the observable universe. Next in size are superclusters. They're as large as several hundred million light years in diameter. The local group is located in the Laniakea supercluster, which is around 500 million light years in diameter. Superclusters can group to form galactic walls. NASA says these walls are likely the largest known superstructures within the observable universe. Note they say observable universe. They stretch very far but are relatively thin. Galactic walls are a specific type of filament. Galactic filaments make up the cosmic web. They can get up to 10 billion light years in length. They are formations of galaxies and gases, sort of like threads. They're separated by large voids. In these voids, there's not very many galaxies. The cosmic web looks just like that, a web. As we know, the universe is constantly accelerating in its expansion, but the observable universe is currently roughly 93 billion light years in diameter. The entire universe is estimated to be at least 250 times larger, or some scientists even say it's potentially infinite. Fun fact, the universe contains up to 1 septillion stars. That would be a 1 followed by 24 zeros. 24, that's incredible. That means there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. That was a lot of information, so let's go back. Earth's diameter is 12,756 kilometers. It is 150 million kilometers from the Sun. The Earth and the Sun are located in the solar system, which is roughly 6.35 light years in diameter, including the Oort cloud. 1 light year is 9,461,000,000,000 kilometers. The solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy is about 100,000 light years in diameter and is part of the local group. The local group is roughly 3 megaparsecs in diameter. The local group is a type of galaxy cluster. Galaxy clusters are on average 1 to 10 megaparsecs in diameter. Larger than that are superclusters, which can be as large as several hundred million light years in diameter. Even larger are galactic walls and sheets, which are a type of galactic filaments. These make up the cosmic web and are the largest structures in the observable universe at up to 10 billion light years in length. The observable universe itself is constantly accelerating in expansion and is currently around 93 billion light years in diameter. The entire universe is estimated to be at least 250 times larger, around 23,250 billion light years in diameter at least. That seems relatively small, saying, oh, just 23,250 billion light years. But remember, there are 9,461,000,000,000 kilometers in 1 light year. There's 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. That means there's 9,461,000,000,000,000,000 meters in 1 light year. So with a little more math, that means the diameter of the entire universe multiplies to roughly 2,199,900,680 octillion meters. That would be 2199 followed by 30 zeros. Next time you want to feel small, remember that. Hopefully now you have a bit of a better idea about the vast size of the universe, or at least our guess at the universe. Who knows, maybe it's much bigger than we think. Maybe it's infinite. Will you be the astronomer that figures it out? What do you think? Is the universe infinite? Leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Mysteries, Myths, and Misconceptions. Join us on our journey through the cosmos. Catch you next time on Hidden in the Stars.